Annie bakes a cake. Adapted from Annie of Green Gables. এটা ଗୋଟେ story by L.M. Montgomery. Anne of Green Gables, published in 1908, is a classic novel by L.M. Montgomery. It tells the story of Annie Shirley, a young orphan girl who is adopted by Matthew and Marilla Cuthbert. Okay, ये दी जन ताको अडॉप्ट करथिले. Cuthberts, who are brother and sister, live on a farm. What do you mean by live on a farm? No. Farm live on a farm called Green Gables in Avonlea. Okay, in Avonlea, Prince Edward Island, Canada. But what do you mean by, my question is this, live on a farm, what do you mean by this? एइथिर कुह दे लिव ऑन ए फार्म माने नो से माने फार्म रु चलुथिले राइट फार्म रु जहा सब बाहर थिला ताकू बिकिगिरी चलुथिले राइट एंड दे लव आनी लाइक ए डॉटर इन द फॉलोइंग स्टोरी ए न्यू मिनिस्टर of the church and his wife have come to live in Avonlea. Hello? The new minister of the church and his wife have come to live in Avonlea. Avonlea होची सेही जगह जोठी ग्रीन गाबल्स. ओके ग्रीन गाबल्स वाला फार्म टा. Avonlea is a small rural community and the minister is an important and influential part of it. In those days, most activities in a village revolved around the church and the minister was usually familiar with all the families in the community. Okay. Important influential part of it ki minister. In those days most activities in a village revolved around the church. What do you mean by revolved around the church? तामने विलेज रो जते एक्टिविटी ए चर्च रे होतला and the minister was usually familiar with all the families in the community. The role of the minister's wife was to work with the community and help those in need. Very often the minister's wife would also teach in the local school. Read on to find out about the minister's visit to Cuthbert's home. So minister आसिछि केमति Cuthbert's home. The new minister and his wife were a young, pleasant-faced couple. Still full of enthusiasm for their chosen life work. What do you mean by enthusiasm? Enthusiasm माने interest. Okay. तो मुझे जोड़ा करूची तू आनी जो एटा मु कहला माने तू सेटा लिखि दबु आइदर लिखि दबु सब तो मन रहबनी. ओके मु एटलीस्ट एटे जो लिखि दउ तू ए वर्ड टा न लिखि गिरी मते 1 लिखि देली तू 1 टा लिखि दउ 1 रो आंसर मु या कहली और लिखिबु ए वर्ड टा फॉर देयर चूजन लाइफ वर्क. Avonlea opened its heart to them from the start. एंथुसियाज्म कौन कहली? एंथुसियाज्म फुल ऑफ एंथुसियाज्म, फुल ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। इंटरेस्ट बुझी पारछु ना? एटा ही बुझी पारनु? हैं लिखुनु। कहबू पुणी पर मुझे पढ़ीनु जस्ट रीड करदेले। द न्यू मिनिस्टर कोथु पढ़िया न पढ़िया पढ़ीनी तू पढ़ीचु ना ना एटा? हाँ केबे सरलानी तो मुझे पचारुची पचारुची तो एंथुसियाज्म लेखिया दरकार नहीं, खाली वन लेखे फुल ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। ओके, एंथुसियाज्म फॉर देयर चोजन life work. Amolia opened its heart to them from the start. Everyone liked the cheerful young man. Everyone liked the cheerful young man and the bright, gentle lady who was his wife. Annie fell promptly in love with Mrs. Allan. She had discovered another kindred spirit. What in by kindred spirit? Kindred spirit no. Eta kon? Kindred spirit. Kindred, what do you mean by? Huh? A person whose interest and the way of thinking is similar to your own. Kindred, right? तो लिखा दरकार नहीं। मिसेस आलान इज लवली, सी अनाउंस्ड, से कहला शी हैज टेकन आवर क्लास एंड शी इज ए स्प्लेंडिड टीचर। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्प्लेंडिड? स्प्लेंडिड मीन्स वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल टीचर। लिख दुई वंडरफुल सब कहया पड़ो। She said we could ask her any question we liked, and I asked so many. I am good at asking questions. I am good at asking questions. Marilla. सी एटा मारिला को कहिछि। ए जिंसटा से जो कहूछि काहा कहूछि? मारिला। I am good at asking questions, Marilla. I believe you, was Marilla's reply. I suppose we must have Mr. and Mrs. Allan to tea soon, said Marilla reflectively. Okay, reflectively माने मारिला एठे ताको आंसर देला। एटा कहला बिलीव यू भी कहला, एटा भी कहला। I suppose we must have this and Mr. and Mrs. Allan to tea soon. I have heard they have been everywhere but here. Oh, I have heard they have been everywhere but here. What do you mean by they have been everywhere but here? Means this full sentence. What do you mean by this? They have been everywhere but here. Mane means they have not come here. Right? They have not come here. Eta mu 3 लिख देली, eta 4. Let me see. Next Wednesday would be a good time to have them. Oh, Marilla, will you let me make a cake? Said Annie. She would cake करिया चाहिए. I would love to do something for Mrs. Allan, and you know I can make a good cake. You can make a layer cake. से कहला गोटे लेयर केक करिया। throughout the Monday and Tuesday, great preparations went on at Green Gables. What do you mean by went on? এটা হচ্ছে great preparations went on at Green Gables. What do you mean by went on? Tell. Continued, right? 5. Continued. Having the minister and his wife to tea was an important matter, and Marilla was determined not to outdone by any of the Avonlea housekeepers. Not to be outdone. What do you mean by outdone? Don't know. Right? Outdone means defeated. Outdone means defeated. So not to be defeated by any of the Avonlea housekeepers. माने तांकोटु केबे कम से करिवनी. तांकोटु भलो करिगिरी ताकू छाडिबो. भलो ताकू ता माने ये करिगिरी खातिर करिगिरी से छाडिबो. एज ए गेस्ट लेखुनो 6 outdone. मु कोन सब गुडा कहबी लेख बोली नहीं ना 6 outdone. 6 कल लिखो. 6 means defeated. Annie was wild and with excitement. से खुशी हो जाता. She talked it all over माने चारियाडे with her friend Diana as they sat on a big red stones by the Dryad's bubble. What do you mean by this? By the Dryad's bubble. What do you mean by this? By the माने beside, है in the side of. Everything is ready, Diana, except my cake, which I am to make in the morning. Everything is ready, Diana, except my cake, which I am to make in the morning. Okay, so Diana को coach and the baking powder biscuits which Marilla will make. ତେଣୁ ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ହବ. ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି କେକ୍ ହବ which I am to make in the morning and baking powder biscuits. সেটা Marilla will make. Oh Diana, Marilla and I have a busy 2 days of it. Sorry, Marilla and I have had a busy 2 days of it. What do you mean by I have had? I have had a busy day. Oh, I have had a busy 2 days. What do you mean by this? Yes, I have had. Okay. I have never had such an experience before. You should see our pantry. Pantry. Yes. We are to have 2 kinds of jelly, red and yellow, and whipped cream, and a lemon pie. Okay. What do you mean by whipped cream? And lemon pie and a cherry pie and 3 kinds of biscuits and fruit cake and Marilla's famous yellow plum preserves that. She keeps especially for ministers. Okay, Marilla's famous yellow plum. What do you mean plum? Yellow plum preserves that she keeps especially for ministers, and a pound cake and a layer cake. I just grow cold when I think of my layer cake. Oh Diana, what if it is not any good? If it will be good, all right, said Diana. Yes, but cakes have such a terrible habit of turning out badly just when you want them to be good. Okay, turn out. What do you mean by turn out? साइड आनी आनी कहला ठीक समय खराब हो अच्छा however I suppose I shall just have to trust that it will turn out well again turn out well माने ठीक से हबो Wednesday morning came Annie got up at sunrise because she was too excited to sleep okay Wednesday morning came Annie got up at sunrise because she was too excited to sleep. She was too excited to sleep. What is the meaning of this? अरे वेडनेसडे मॉर्निंग रे आसीगला वेडनेसडे मॉर्निंग दिन तो आसीबे आनी सेटा तार अर्थ ना से सोई पाइलानी सी सोई पाइलानी बिकॉज सी वाज टू एक्साइटेड टू स्लीप ता माने सी आउ बेसी समय सोई पाइलानी बिकॉज शी वाज टू एक्साइटेड दैट दे विल कम सो सी गॉट अप एट सनराइज ओके से सकाळ सकाळ उठी गला सी हैड caught a severe cold by playing in the spring okay the previous evening but nothing short of her pneumonia would have stopped her that morning okay she had caught a severe cold eta kohanti she had caught cold ko mane se cold tar he jaichi by playing in the spring स्प्रिंग हो एटे कौन स्प्रिंग कौन ये सीजन नु गोटे पोखरी है इन स्प्रिंग ये लेखा भी पूल ऑफ वाटर ओके so she had caught a severe cold by playing in the spring the previous evening से दिन ये स्प्रिंग होइले कैपिटल होता यदि सीजन कथा पड़ता the previous evening but nothing short of pneumonia would have stopped ताको pneumonia है ही नहीं किंतु pneumonia हेथिले भी से आस्ता would have stopped her that morning okay अरे nothing short of pneumonia could have stopped माने pneumonia हेथिले भी pneumonia है ही नहीं pneumonia हेथिले भी से आसी थांता nothing short of pneumonia could have stopped her that morning से निश्चित उठी थांता right after breakfast she proceeded to make her cake से गला केक करियो when she finally shut the oven door she drew a long breath ला ओवन बंद कला she drew a long breath ओके गोटे जो विश्वास नेला गोटे I am sure I haven't forgotten anything this time. मारिला हाँ मारिला को से कहूँ what do you think it will rise हाँ এটা ठीक हबो कि just suppose the baking powder is not good फुलिबो कि नहीं कहूँ मिसेस हाँ आसीना तुम ये दियो सार को दे दियो ये बसुना आसिक ये सार पाखे बस ये बस ये सार हौ धरिक बस I am sure I haven't forgotten anything this time. Marilla, but do you think it will rise? Just suppose the baking powder is not good. Mrs. Linde says you can never be sure of getting good baking powder nowadays. ହେଲା सी सेमती कहूला बोली डर लगे है जे भल बेकिंग पाउडर मिलूनी व्हाट इफ दैट केक डजंट राइज वी विल हैव अ प्लेंटी विदाउट इट है आमर तो आहरी बहुत जिनस अच्छी वाज मैरिलास वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट द प्रॉब्लम ओके सो ये प्रॉब्लम टाको से कौन कहीं कहला सॉल्व कला जे आमर बहुत जिनस अच्छी केक did rise actually केक फुलिला however and came out of the oven as light and feathery as golden foam बढ़िया हला ओके लाइट एंड feathery हल्का भी रहला feathery भी रहला माने ये सॉफ्ट रहला एंड गोल्डन फोम अच्छा Annie clapped it together with the layers of okay so Annie clapped it together with the layers of ruby jelly and imagined Mrs. Allan eating it and asking for another piece. What do you mean by ask for? What do you mean by ask for? एते कथा मु पचारनी आस्क फॉर द आंसर पचारची हां रिक्वेस्ट आस्क फॉर वाला रिक्वेस्ट मैं 11 मार्च केते नंबर लिखिची 6 7 लिखो आस्क फॉर रिक्वेस्ट you will be using the best tea set of course Marilla तब से कहला he said and I can I set the table with fawns and wild roses what do you mean by fawns eight hey what do you mean by fawns कंटा गछ देखो 8 I think that is all nonsense sniffed Marilla Mrs. Barry had her table decorated, said Annie. Mrs. Barry had her table decorated, said Annie. Mrs. Barry के तार टेबल टाकू कहार मिनिस्टर्स वाइफ रो टेबल को डेकोरेट कर well do as you like said Marilla but leave enough room for the dishes and the food what do you mean by dishes only plate or with food okay Annie did decorate the table and in such a manner that when the minister and his wife sat down to eat, they exclaimed together over its loveliness. What do you mean by exclaimed? Exclaimed लिखो 9 लिखी लिखो 9 से माने सरप्राइज्ड exclaimed together over its loveliness. It's Annie's handiwork, said Marilla, and Annie felt that Mrs. Allan's approving smile was almost too much happiness for this world. अच्छा, what do you mean by approving smile? Approve means what? Telling correct. Approve means telling correct. Write down. Approve means telling correct. All went as well as could be until Annie's layer cake was passed around. All went as well as could be. All went as well as could be until Annie's layer cake was passed around. Passed around माने खाउछन ताको बढ़ाउछ. Mrs. Allan helped herself to a plump triangle. अच्छा, as did also Minister and Marilla. Mrs. Allan took a mouthful of horse, and a strange expression crossed her face. But she did not say a word and steadily ate away at it. Marilla saw her expression and quickly tasted the cake. Okay, mouthful of horse. मैंने अच्छा, look here. Annie surely, she exclaimed, what on earth did you put into that cake? से केक रे कौन माने कौन पके देछि एटा को से कहला ये एटा मारिला कहला मारिला जतले खाइला कहला nothing but what the recipe said. मारिला आनी कहला said आनी कहला जहाँ रेसिपी बतेला मु से कहली isn't all right, isn't it all right, all right, it is simply horrible. से कहला एटा horrible. Mr. Allan, don't try to eat it. Annie, taste it yourself. What flavoring did you use? से हेटु कहला vanilla, said Annie, her face red with embarrassment after tasting the cake. What do you mean by embarrassment? Embarrassment means shame. SHAME. देखो 11. Only vanilla. Only vanilla. से कहला कि आनी. Oh, Marilla, it must have been the baking powder. से कि कहला vanilla से कहला vanilla बदल रे baking powder पड़थियो बोधे. Baking powder, go and bring me the bottle of vanilla you used. तो से कहला जे जाइकरी आण सेटा. Annie fled कहार past tense. Annie fled to the pantry and returned with a small bottle filled with a brown liquid and labeled vanilla, best vanilla. So fled कहार past tense. दौड़ी गला. अच्छा कहार past tense में बुझाछ. फ्लाई रो flew, flee, राइट फ्ली फ्लेड लिखो 12 नंबर FLEE हाँ फ्ली फ्लेड लेबल माने कौन Marilla looked it, unrocked it, uncorked it, smelled it. Oh, Annie, you have flavored that cake with the anodyne liniment. I broke the liniment bottle last week and poured what was left into an old empty vanilla bottle. I suppose it's partly my fault. I should have warned you. But why could not you have smelled it? हाँ तू ताकू सुंघिलुनी कहीं बोली से कहला Annie burst into tears under this double disgrace. अच्छा what do you mean disgrace? Again this on embarrassment same right 12 13 I couldn't I had such a cold ताकू भी actually ठंडा है जी and with this she fled to her room where she threw herself on the bed and wept कहाँ past tense की वाइफ लिखिलु टे लिखिलु पेन ने लिख वाइफ वेप्ट वाइफ रो पास्ट टेंस वेप्ट लिखुनु वेप्ट लिखा है ना हाँ वेप्ट लिखुनु वाइफ वेप्ट लिखी दे हाइफेन देगिरी हाँ नो लिख you go and sit okay wept लिखो weep wept 14 नंबर weep wept weep wipe नहीं weep 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 काट भल से weep wept. Soon a light step sounded on the stairs and somebody entered the room. Soon a light step sounded. What do you mean a light step? Somebody entered the room. Oh, Marilla, sobbed Annie. Without looking up. I am disgraced forever. I shall never be able to live this down. Diana will ask me how my cake turned out, and I shall have to tell her the truth. I shall always be pointed at as the girl who flavored a cake with the anodyne liniment. The boys in the school will never get over laughing at it. Will never get over. Okay, what do you mean by get over? Never get over laughing at it. Laugh at माने कौन? Mocking करिया. Oh, Marilla, I cannot ever look Mrs. Allan in the face again. Perhaps she will think I tried to poison her. But the liniment is not poisonous. Se nije kohuchi liniment ta poison. Won't you tell Mrs. Allan? So, Marilla, se taku न देखिरी कहूची Suppose you tell her so yourself, said a kind her voice. Said a kind voice. Suppose you tell her so yourself. से कौन सेटा आलान कहीं कहबो ए सॉरी के मारिला कहीं कहबो यू टेल योरसेल्फ हला से वॉइस टा कहला से वॉइस टा उसे जानी पारला तेणु से आनी जम्प्ड अप हला उठी की छिड़ा टू फाइंड मिसेस आलान स्टैंडिंग बाय हर बेड ता बेड पाखरे छिड़ा है कि मिसेस आलान लुकिंग एट हर विथ लाफिंग आईज माय डियर लिटिल गर्ल You must not cry like this, she said. It is all just a funny mistake that anybody might make. So ताको बुझेला जे भी से करथांदा. Oh no, it takes me to make such a mistake, said Annie sadly, and I wanted to make such a nice cake for you, Mrs. Allan. कहला मु तुम पे करिया को चाहूतिली. Yes, I know dear, and I appreciate your thoughtfulness just as much as if it had turned out all right. Now you must not cry anymore, but come down with me and show me your flower garden. आसिकी मते देखा बोली कहला. Annie permitted herself to be laid down. Laid कार past tense. Annie permitted herself to be laid down. लेख लेड एटा होची लेख केते नंबर लिखचू 14 15 लेख लीड लीड लेड एलईडी लीड एलईडी लीड लीड लेड लीड पर लेड लेख laid down and comforted. Nothing more was said about the liniment cake, and when the guest went away, Annie found that she had enjoyed the evening more than she had expected, but she sighed deeply and said, sighed deeply. Marilla, is not it nice to think that tomorrow is a new day with no mistakes in it yet? Suppose Marilla, isn't it nice to think that tomorrow is a new day with no mistakes in it yet? I will guarantee you will make plenty in it, said Marilla. I have never seen such talent for making mistakes, Annie. से कहूँ जे तू भूल करू पुणी काली भी. I have never seen such talent for making mistakes. से कहूँ you will make mistakes. Yes, I know, said Annie, but have you ever noticed one encouraging thing about me, Marilla? तू मोठी कौन देखिछु कि I never make the same mistake twice. मु दी थर मिस्टेक करिनी. I don't know if that is any good when you are always making new ones. That is any good when you are making new ones. तो new mistake करछु ताको से बुझौछु हला. Oh, don't you see, Marilla, there must be a limit to the mistakes one person can make. से कहला मु केते मिस्टेक्स करबी दिने मिस्टेक सरी जो, and when I get to the end of them, then I will be done with them. तापरे मोरा मिस्टेक हबनी. I will be done with them. हला. That is a very comforting thought. हला से निजे जो एमती जो भाबुची से ता निजु को कंफर्ट दोछि. Well, you'd better go and give that cake to the pigs. गला नेगिरेडा घुसरी दे दे. सेडे Marilla.